Fear can sometimes lead to profitable trades. They depart due to increased greed. Bad trades hurt novice traders. This occurs frequently, yet it makes no difference. A trade needs to be profitable for you. Maybe not, since you think that long-term strategy for a lot of traders. She will do one for you if she works for me. In order to pursue a career in trading, you must. In the trade and investing system, individual mindset and psychology, it is necessary to comprehend the significance of trade. Decide on your purpose or objective before taking it. Determine the potential profit margin for selling it. If you are likewise an expert trader, I'll give. This video book is a great resource if you desire to succeed. This is a synopsis for you, author Mark Douglas. In this manner, trading can be successful. The author shows how to cultivate a mindset in 1982. From traders to trading psychology, the market has been providing instruction regarding trading to generate healthy returns in. By repeatedly reading the book in the people, the mentality of trading will improve. The share market is becoming more and more popular every day. To become wealthy, people are sharing their shares. Visit the market, although not many people makes a profit in the stock market. Basic analysis to generate revenue and technical analytical expertise is required. However, those who are aware of it occasionally experience stock market losses. Why is this the case? Trading is the solution, the study of psychology, knowing when to purchase shares if you're a skilled player, and additionally, you know when to sell to the market. You are well aware of the actions of. However, are you aware of yourself? Even seasoned traders occasionally make errors. Trading results from poor thinking. Due of faulty psychology. Despite having solid understanding, he doesn't follow through on his ideas. Unable to finish successfully and repeatedly. Suffer significant losses as a result of confidence. You will see trading activity in this video. Proper confidence, discipline, and mentality. Get all the information you need to trade with. Will acquire sound trading mindset. In order to comprehend this, we view this video 12. The chapter will cover videos being extremely knowledgeable and fascinating. It is crucial to watch through to the very finish because this is going to happen. Additionally, if this is your first visit to our channel, thus remember to subscribe to the channel. First, let's talk about you. The trader who is successful shares the way to success, examining every significant aspect of the market. In this case, fundamental analysis is crucial. The importance comes after the basics. For traders to comprehend how shares are moving, perform technical analysis until we make a trade. This leads to ongoing market analysis. Can you guess what will happen next? Technical and fundamental analysis. You also require mental toughness. Continue examining yourself for this. In the market, there is a group that consistently generates revenue, and there is a group that, why does it happen that they always lose money? Are these individuals or this group smarter? The team that doesn't put forth a lot of effort. He consistently makes money by using mental analysis. He works on these things as well. In a trade, how much do you make? What level of market risk are you willing to take? The group that knows everything about rent. Because of these things, he consistently makes money. They would then get their basic funds cleared. They don't engage in superstitious activities. Instead, manage risk when making deals. They differ from the typical trader in this way. Regardless of the circumstances, we maintain it as our. Remain focused on your goals and ambitions. Doctor, trading is not simple. High-level lawyer scientists. Additionally, officers put their money into the stock market. Lose since they lack the proper. Trading psychology is not the same as trading. It implies taking a chance or taking a chance fast. Rapidly taking on the risk. Only if you accept it can you succeed in the market. Most people are able to avoid taking chances. Being anxious while taking chances is a positive thing. One of a trader's fundamental abilities is, you can constantly keep up with market developments. Unchangeable yet taking a chance. By effectively minimizing that risk, trading can help you make money. Make the decision beforehand that in each trade what is the maximum amount of money you are prepared to lose? Additionally, determine that how much can one make from trading at most. Desire this for the benefits and drawbacks. Being ready before trading is preferable. You are now aware of the symptoms of trading psychology. Having the correct mindset is essential when trading. Everyone enjoys freedom and everyone has money. Everybody must create his own trading guidelines. Appear to be a profitable trader. There aren't many regulations to follow when, after one trade, there are no restrictions. Profit opportunities still exist. Traders lose money as a result of his mind isn't ready for that kind of profit. If we had to exchange our way of thinking, maintaining equilibrium in the face of opposition, it gets challenging, but the situation is reversed. Preserving mental equilibrium in a healthy. The author identifies the trader. The market is always providing limitless chances. Have an offspring to exploit them. Act as though you have pleasure in all you do. Understands how to handle stress-free. Whatever occurs, baby, in everything. Stays enthusiastic, and you do too. Be enthusiastic since trading. There may occasionally be a profit or a loss, therefore. Mental stability is crucial. To avoid injury, we must practice discipline. This kind of set market structure is necessary. Won't permit or there isn't a rule that it is evident that today's price was the same as yesterday's. Will be identical to or more than the opening. There will be more, so examining the earlier data. Create a strategy and use your indications. You must now act in a disciplined manner. It will be necessary to learn how to accept responsibility for trading. It is an act of responsibility and a responsible thing to do. Denotes the care a mother gives to her kid. You must realize that to what extent are you accountable for each achievement? You can succeed with a variety of different mindsets. You will reach the trader's list by trading. Accepting responsibility can teach you some art. Do you fear losing money when you trade? Because after the fear passes, in the event that it occurs, an error could also occur. One for profitable trading begins to decline. Consider novel ideas like a profitable trader. Take note of the errors caused by negligence and fear. Decrease irrational expectations. Decide depending on the facts, with the exception of trading is a profitable endeavor. But what are the drawbacks of trading, one could wonder. How does it make you feel to have less skill? Will be acceptable because we are all one. There should occasionally be fear, but winning should always be a goal. Causes of the loss of profitable deals and bad transactions are the result of excessive greed. This frequently occurs with novice traders. When a novice trader is profitable, therefore by trading too much in too much confidence, or violate the guidelines and forfeit your money once more. In the market, traders usually contribute 10%. Traders consistently make between 30 and 40%. Lose money because it's always on the other side of the market are the remaining 40. On 250, traders profit, but they unable to have money on hand, therefore some. In the near run, these traders consistently make money, earn, but then all of a sudden a massive lose money, which is why profitable traders on 10, like a bridge between fear and overconfidence. Trade the market while keeping your equilibrium, profiting from the trader's error or strategy. Avoid allowing the market to move at your own speed all the time. This pace and conduct advances. It is your job to recognize when you won't accept accountability for your outcomes till then. You can gain new knowledge by trading thoughts. There is an art as well as a method when you won't consider trading to be a cake until then. Trading will be enjoyable for you. Gain mental toughness for trading. In trading, you can't constantly make money. It's always difficult to do. You're prepared for this market now. A typical trader must comprehend the behavior. His ability to take risks is at its peak. Regarding the outcomes of the last 2 or 3 deals, although a profitable trader relies on his not impacted or impacted by prior transactions, there are successful traders, whether they are correct or wrong. Market without overconfidence or anxiety. What kind of trade invitation should you extend to them? Let's comprehend this and provide. Focusing on opportunities when trading. Those immediate losses are common, and never give a damn about profit. Allow it to occur without questioning your strategy. Keeping up my efforts in the market. Profit from the possibility for profit that is present. Be prepared to take on. We refer to external opportunities as buffets. Unable to identify by sight, however, for this, adopt a profit-seeking attitude. We'll have to accomplish in order to make money in the market. Getting more done with less is the only option. Purchase in bulk and at a premium. Sell it simultaneously when trading. Try to stay away from these 3 errors. Don't belittle your loss or define yourself. Remember to book profit at the appropriate time. Anything can happen in the market, so keep sharing. 2 factors or power affect its price. 1. Who are holding off on buying them, and the business is among the others who are rushing. Finance and key value management are very important. For this reason, we deal in shares, while carrying out these tasks for the business as well. Remember that you will now need to. It's also necessary to know aspects. Additionally, there may be greater profit in trading. Additionally, not only in gambling but also in trading. One distinction is that when you gamble, you could or might not possess the appropriate abilities or attitude. Able to profit, however, lengthy in trading. Appropriate abilities to generate long-term profit. Set mentality and ought to possess these items, such as appropriate planning according to the market case pattern, or every significant indication is declining. The ability to control the danger of loss is essential. For a successful deal, one must be able to control, possess the capacity to discern ideal time. Understanding market trends is necessary. You are required to establish your own indicators, which makes it simple and quick to follow that trend. If you have any indicators you can comprehend, should it fail in the marketplace, these 2. In greed, always utilize signs. Avoid trading excessively out of fear. In trading, don't miss a trade. Only money is at risk. Because of this, the author advises that you should do whatever the market offers. I've passed it and accepted it. Gain insight into the trend by learning from your failures. Make an indicator, then move forward with it. These fundamental secret facts about trading. Remember that the market is constantly unpredictable. The force of supply and demand is effective. Because of this, the state of the market is always shifting. Thus, adjust your plans in light of the shift. Constantly making money in the market. I must know what will happen next. No, your strategy does not make you the best. Complete the remaining steps. It will typically happen on its own. 8 deals will fail and 12 out of 20 will be successful. It will occur, but at what time and with what trade profit? Or need to know if it will result in a loss. You lack the ability and comprehension to be there. Keep going and it will happen on its own. It is necessary to cultivate profit-oriented beliefs. The types of beliefs we hold. In that way, energy begins to flow and we have similar ways of thinking and acting. You must therefore be as knowledgeable about trading. Which beliefs are appropriate to adopt for financial gain? Be focused and show interest in one another. Are intimately associated with how are. The same is true for beliefs and interests. We proceed to the opposite side where we have items. We want to have faith in him. Thus, examine yourself and see these. Practice both trading-related tasks. Become interested in such topics. It results in profitable trading. Act in a way that demonstrates your faith. Let's encourage our curiosity about this. Work like and have an impact. Our lives are the things we do. Give form to, which is why the writer claims that you must trade if you want to succeed at it. Stop-loss analysis, and in these terms. If trading, there must be interest. You have a sincere desire to do this, and consistency will lead to positive outcomes. I'll see how you truly feel about trading. To comprehend your role and areas of interest, continue to inquire yourself about your true self. All set to trade. Our thoughts are influenced by our hobbies. Our lives are governed by our beliefs. And you are aware that belief influence thinking and behavior. For this reason, we use our experiences, rest in the subconscious, etc. We gradually begin to consider the same topics and what we begin doing because of our beliefs, match which alters our lives. Begin to influence others so that by examining values and passions. Check to see if trading is lucrative. Encourage you to act if yes, then proceed in the opposite direction. Make the change right away with a profit-driven mindset. You need to think like a good trader. At the moment of trading, the trader must act morally. Trading is easy, but mindset is crucial. Being is challenging in and of itself. Because of what occurs after making the trade. We are unsure if this is actual commerce. To cultivate an attitude. Encourage the use of techniques. The mechanic step is the initial phase in working diligently in an unfamiliar setting. Gain the self-assurance to do and trade without sacrificing quality. Find more about additional profit opportunities. Examine the most recent charts to learn more. Understand the business and current market trends. Examining personal loyalty. After you've learned anything, take action now. You'll give it your best shot. You might also fail, so proceed with caution. Self-improvement for errors. Examine and demonstrate your comfort level. In this step, the previously acquired external knowledge. Additionally, based on what you've learned by doing it yourself, by creating your own strategies and metrics. Do this when you are just starting to trade. Before you exit any transaction, consider your options. How long will it take you to accomplish your goal? In trade with proper timing, rather, enter, adjust the stop loss and so forth. Profit is evident. Reserve it right away. Concerning trade inside the zone structure, top traders will discuss trading. They handle it as though it were a numerical game. The world's greatest mindset. Entrepreneurs, sportsmen, and poker players. Playing the numbers game is what adopting entails. A trading or investing system, repeatedly carrying out the same procedure, wherein numerous times before to achieving accomplishment. A trader who fails receives short-term, those who are important for long-term outcomes. It is important to comprehend the differences between the results. In order to profit from trading, you must. In the market, there's no need to know that. Just need to know what comes next. Examine the functioning of the market. By doing this, we must comprehend which circumstances. The market is largely productive. When can we expect to make more money? When does the likelihood of damage increase? It ought to reduce the risk of each short trade. Both at the term and micro level, numbers are free, due to the fact that all other trades beans are identical. All markets must function similarly. Participants at precisely the same moment will have to behave similarly. However, this isn't possible until you learn about all types of market conditions, not properly trained to comprehend. We'll do that and see the profit. Until then, UniConnect will filter automatically for book profit and stop loss. When putting a stop loss order, there are uncertainties. If it is completed with this assurance. Please take aware that your outcome is unclear, and it is therefore highly possible that you can be sure that people will like your order. This will guarantee that in the event that the stop loss is hit, this will have an emotional and financial impact on you. Don't cause me any trouble or grief. Your mind will consider the next chance when you do this. Will be readily visible when a trade turns a profit. You make a plan to make money. Continue using your profit-taking approach. If there isn't a trade wanted, it doesn't matter, so let it go. Whether or not a trade suits you, since you think that the method numerous, long-term profitable for traders. If it is, it will also complete all of your trades. To win, you don't need to be an expert. You must invest in order to become a trader. The use of psychology in trading strategies and the significance of personal attitude. You must be knowledgeable about the trade. Permission to act is required in order that opportunities to locate a workspace. If a merchant is able to, there won't be any success if you violate the rule. No one to rely on in terms of potential. You came up with the plan since it doesn't make logic. Let's adhere to it and follow the market as well. Now, let the work help you go past your anxieties, and we must occasionally comprehend overconfidence. At the start or following a few exchanges, you continue to lose trade after trade. You experience a sort of fear when you feel it. To return to your profit position, investing in losing trades is an option, but by carrying on in this manner at one point, you will discover that you are unable to regain your lost. You make more money if you are unable to accomplish it. Make more money the next time. Significant risk to enter a profitable position. Examining the market in order to take. However, first thing in the morning or something. By consistently winning one deal after another, you can occasionally feel overconfident. However, until then, overconfidence. As a result, you can raise the amount you exchange. Raise or take on more risky trades. Begin making investments in. You begin to feel as though that is the direction of the market's trading, is constantly moving because of its own motion. Gaining success boosts your self-esteem. It appears that the author states that human inclinations are natural, acting less in accordance with the inclination. Advantageous but riskier, so tell us about the natural tendencies that how to cultivate a mindset of victory by exercising control. This requires both technical and fundamental work. Examine this essential analysis. It aids in anticipating future events. How much might it cost, roughly speaking? You can reach your financial goal if you are aware of this. To succeed and continue trading. In this case, technical analysis will be helpful. Observe that the stock you selected is now. What is the market's current performance? In recent years and months, to what extent has this method grown or declined? Encourage traders to take note of this. Creates the chosen trade's history and, considering the current performance, is it worthwhile to invest in it? According to the author, this approach of analysis is superior and more rational since only one viewpoint is provided by fundamental analysis. How much does the trade currently cost and how much will it cost in the future? How many things could occur in the near future while technical evaluation using the information at hand? Knowing the amount of money is helpful. How much actual investment money is there? Profit may result from this alone. Additionally, there is a useful approach to this fact. The time interval that it is based on is 5. Over a period of 10 or 20 years, the market remains consistent. Acts in this way, which indicates that if the last 10, whether a share's price has gone up over time, to maintain the same pace of growth for the next 10 years. Thus, there is potential in these kinds of transactions. Investing yields more returns and less. Every trader is aware of when it is dangerous. What is the risk if someone opens a position? Additionally, the potential exists because Additionally, trading is completely safe and lucrative. Keeping this fact in mind, trading occurs. Take chances and lose by accident. Prepared to welcome him when he departs. Stay because if you come to terms with the loss, when you're ready, trade fearlessly. Will minimize RICO and make money. Plan to accomplish as much as you can. We shall now discover the traits of a successful trader. I'm going to discuss it without any money. Trading with a fear of failure and who don't continue using the same techniques but recognizing that the approach is ineffective. Continue searching for more effective ways if they, without feeling anything if there is any loss. Leave that attachment trade. He is undergoing the emotional attachment process. If you refuse to let financial loss happen, if you're scared to take chances when trading, then you not yet prepared to be a successful trader. Because the greater the risk to be avoided. I'll make every effort to trade profitably. Avoid of lucrative trades. I am likewise prone to risk, thus by taking a chance. Instead of being scared, attempt to lower the risk and find strategies to boost revenue. Do a thorough market analysis in this manner. You now have two choices by becoming as knowledgeable as you can about market factors. The market aims to lower risk. Variables are elements that influence, track a trade's performance, and how he will continue to perform similarly to his market value P ratio of demand to supply. company sales, company profit, loan reserve, quantity, and other factors in your trading. Plan in a method that will help you succeed. There is also the chance of losing. For instance, market research, as it happens for every 10. Make money from investing at least once. Your money will be 10 times multiplied if this occurs. Make sure to arrange your investment so that able to tolerate harm 9 times and once. Profit, concealing it with profit. Make money by embracing this type of trader mentality. Mark it up from you trading uncertainties. Face it or go down, and trading will get simpler. You now need to work with your convictions. You'll have profit-driven beliefs. To make these items and trade. Prior to making a clear trade, put your objective or aim in it so that how much would it cost you to sell it this way? Every trading-related ability he desires. Purchasing, selling, or halting a loss. It all. Prior to learning, decide on a clear purpose. Justify your desire to get knowledge from it. You'll love picking up that ability and you can adopt it right away if you learn it effectively. You'll find yourself working, taking stock of yourself, and discover all of that by engaging in actual trading. Which relevant talents are you familiar with? What more do you need to know to accomplish your primary objectives? Assisting abilities to finish. Prioritize learning first. Later, acquire less crucial talents. Doing this consistently will make you carefree. A carefree mindset will prevail. When you are carefree, it indicates confidence. If you're thinking in any way, don't hesitate or be afraid because you develop your ability to comprehend the market. You are therefore aware of the market's fluctuations. You discover that there is no fear of climbing. Additionally, in both declining markets at least, how to increase profits while taking risks. Become impartial. Objectivity is the state of mind in which whatever you discover regarding the movement of the market, others are conscious of it. To put it briefly, you have an open mind. Traders begin to make themselves accessible. Saving from keeping indicates that you don't have. You had a plan when you went to the market. It's unclear which trade to purchase. Or avoid selling without conducting any research. The transactions that are making investments in them. Now movement is available in the market. Recognize what the term now movement in trading means. Complete the trade you completed before. Now added something of some sort to it and not detectable thanks to you all. Now let's return to the book's main ideas. Let's talk about it so that you can never forget the secrets of a profitable trader. When trading, such as technical and perform trading fundamental analysis. Continue to be mentally stable in your recognize and accept accountability for your gains and losses. Having this mentality will add you to the list of profitable traders. Will enable you to comprehend the behavior of the market and plan appropriately, using experience to determine indicators. Develop beliefs focused on profit. Trading due to overconfidence or fear. Steer clear of this and trade calmly. Do it without embracing the virtues of a successful trader. Only trade if you're afraid of losing money. Stay focused on the process rather than the method itself. Accept that it doesn't work and go on. If there is a loss, find better ways. Having no sentimental connection to that trade. Avoid falling into the emotional attachment trap. I'm not going to lose any money.